Welcome to Meow Money, where we turn tricky finance into fun, bite-sized tips. Let's dive in.
Ever look at your portfolio and see one ETF sulking in the red like a grumpy cat? Good news! In a taxable brokerage account, that sad kitty can sometimes help you pay less tax. Tax loss harvesting, TLH, means selling an investment at a loss on purpose to reduce your taxes. Think, use a loss to scratch down your tax bill. TLH is most useful when you have taxable gains, like you sold something else this year for a profit. Stocks, ETFs, funds. You're rebalancing and creating gains. You're taking profits to fund a big expense. Here is a mini example. You realized a $2,000 gain from selling one ETF. Another ETF is down $2,000. If you sell that loser, the $2,000 loss can offset the $2,000 gain, so you may owe less capital gains tax. If your losses are bigger than your gains, you can typically use up to $3,000 per year against other income and carry the rest forward. But beware the wash sale trap. If you sell at a loss and buy the same or substantially identical investment within 30 days before or after the sale, the loss may be disallowed for now. Real-life oopsies. Dividend reinvestment turns on. Auto-invest buys it back. Or your 401k quietly buys something extremely similar. So what do you buy instead? Beginner move. Sell the losing fund. Buy a similar, not identical fund so you stay invested. You're telling the market, I'm not leaving, I'm just changing litter boxes. Quick TLH checklist. Taxable account? Gains this year or soon? Auto-invest/dividends/other accounts won't trigger a wash sale? Swapped to a similar fund so compounding keeps purring? Mini wrap-up. Tax loss harvesting is like finding a coupon you didn't know you had. It only helps if you use it correctly, and you don't accidentally void it with a wash sale. And that's how a red day can still keep your savings purring along.
Thanks for watching Meow Money. Like and subscribe to keep your savings purring. See you next time.